Example number 6, write an equation in standard form for the line that passes through 8, -4, and -6, -11. There's two ways to do this. You can start with slope-intercept form, or you can start with point-slope form. Either way, you can take these 2 points and turn them into the standard form of the equation. So let's take a look at slope-intercept form first. So the first thing we have to do is we have to find the slope. It's not given to us. So we take our 2 points, 8, -4, and -6, -11, and we plug them into the slope formula for x1, y1, and x2, y2. We simplify and we get -7 over -14, which is a positive 1/2. Then we take the 1/2 slope and we plug it in to the slope-intercept form of our equation. So the m becomes 1/2. We take either of our points. They're going to use 8, -4. You could use -6, -11 if you chose. And you plug that in for x and for y. Then you simplify to figure out what that intercept is. So 1/2 times 8 is 4. Subtract 4 from both sides. We get that the intercept is -8. So that means that our equation is y equals 1/2 x minus 8. The third step is to multiply each side by 2. So we get 2y equals 2 times the quantity, 1/2 x minus 8, because we want to get rid of that fraction, because we don't like fractions. Then that distribution for the 2 there gives us 2y equals x minus 16. We want to move the x to the same side as our y, because in standard form, remember that the variables are all on the same side. So we subtract x from both sides. That gives us -x plus 2y equals -16. And we don't want a negative x, so we multiply everything by -1. That gives us a positive x minus 2y equals positive 16. Now, if we wanted to use the point slope form, which is another option that we can use, we find our slope again, same process as before. We get 1/2 for our slope. But this time we plug it into the point slope form. So we take our 1 point, 8, -4, and we plug it in for x1, y1. We take our slope of 1/2, we plug that in, and we get y plus 4 equals 1/2 times the quantity x minus 8. Again, we want to get rid of that fraction, so we're going to multiply both sides by 2. That gives us 2y plus 8 equals x minus 8. Subtracting 8 from both sides to get 2y by itself on the left gives us 2y equals 8x minus 16. Subtract x from both sides, we get -x plus 2y equals -16. And multiplying by -1 all over the place to get rid of that negative sign in front of our x, we get x minus 2y equals 16. Either way, you come up with the same equation, but there is more than one way to get to the solution.